May it last forever. Oh, thank you for joining. Hi! Hi, Rodrigo. Good morning, my flower Filipina. Hi! Ooh, how are you there? I'm fine. Tip tip like okay and easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. Rain. Rainy. Thank you so much. Deliciously. As we walk a golden miles, sound of pretty eye. Wow. Thank you thank you for what? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. See that you love me. To click on screen. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. As you walk across miles down the bridges, I know that you will be mine. There's nothing wala naman. Video. 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 Got hungry now, yeah. Coffee. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? I'm doing live coffee. Guys, hello brother. Rodrigo. Hello, thank you. Hello, Rodrigo. How are you? From Das. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Ice cream yummy. Oh my god, I'm fine and you? I'm fine. You're fine, everyone. That's okay. Everyone, let's dance. Yeah. Doing good things. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Hold there. Doing good. Sino yan? Sila Pong. See you later. Okay. See you. Bye bye, Rodrigo. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining here. Coffee for your friend. As we walk a golden miles down the pretty eyes, I know that you are mine. And there's nothing in this world that I'm not to. Maingay. Outside your friend. It's not my friend. It's just my brother's wife. Okay, I will be back. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for coffee. Always welcome. The coffee getting cold na. Bye-bye. More beautiful today. Oh my god. More beautiful today. Wait lang. Bye. It's ano? Call this. Bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining. I think. Ay, salamat. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning. Good morning po. Hi. Hi. Never let me down. Nakanta-kanta na lang. Okay. I just saw your message. Sorry. It's okay. You busy there? You busy there? And it was your life. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Thank you for 3 people here. Who are you? Good morning, John. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, John. Thank you for joining here. How are ya? Night there. Aray ko, aday, aday. Good morning. Maybe my love will come down. Nice to see your smile. Okay. Okay. What about my smile? Look. Thank you for the 6 people watching here. That's lovely. Thank you, John. time ever since began. Hi, Donnie. Oh my God, welcome back. Hi, Donnie. Good morning. Thank you for joining here. How are you? Thank you for the 7 people watching here now. Thank you so much. You seem very deep and thought. So, yeah, maybe just wake up. I'm back, lol. I'm great. Hope you're doing good. You're back. Donnie, what are you doing now? Just got up for cooking myself dinner. Okay. What is your food? What is your dinner? I'm watching you. Thank you so thank you so much. Thank you guys watching me. Lapong! Ah, in the midnight of time. Wala man lang bakas ng panghihinayang. Charot. Kagigising ko lang. Ay. I have a strict diet. I eat 1 pound of chicken, a baked potato, and one can of green beans once a day. Oh, that's good. Lumakas. Oh. In a night of medicine. I wish I could buy a dinner. How can I do that? I don't know. I don't know how you can do that. But thank you for for that. Ayan, may kabila, may ngayon, may doon. Ah, ang dami. How can I send you $1? I would like. Oh my God, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie, Papani, Banana, Nana, Papani, Beef Pie. Thank you, Donnie. Money, not dollar. You have lots of money? Thank you for watching. You can wish you get monetized. I would send you money. Tell me how. I'm not rich and I'm not poor. I don't know how to send me money. I don't know. You get no personal information. Thank you for joining. 5 people here. Thank you so much. I would send you 100 US dollar right now. If you know a way. Right now, wow, that's great. Thank you, Donnie. You're a generous one. But I don't know how you send me money. But thank you for ano. God bless you all, guys. Thank you for watching. 6 people here. Thank you for. I wanna be someone the time. Thank you for the thumbs up. Nung una kang makita, akala ko ikaw galit dahil ngunit aking nalaman buhat sa isang kaibigan. Mali pala yun. Minahal kita hindi lang dahil ka. Minahal kita lalong hindi dahil minahal kita sa taglay mong pambihi. Live healthy and happily, and live healthy and happily. Good morning, sir. Live healthy and happily. Good morning. But thanks for your kind offer, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much. Thank you, my team. Live healthy and happily. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Well, we need to find a way. Hopefully, before Christmas, I just like helping people out. Thank you so much, Donnie. You're a kind person. Thank you so much. How I wish before Christmas I monetize my channel. You can send super chat. Oh my God, how I wish this wish. felt excited. I felt excited about this.
Bisan ko siya, how the madadi,
Yeah,
ano
di-
ko lang dito sa bado ni Papay. Kaya di ko aram ang sabon ni Papay.
Yeah, di may sabon di diyo. All
May
day.
sabon na dito, ang sandok lang, kaya patanang ko lang ito naman.
Thank you so much for joining me here, Papa. Lapong na ka daw, malala kung aton. Hindi ka daw. Come here, dala po. No, ayaw lang pong mahulog yun. Oh, matumba. Kanan dito. I've been saying that since you started your channel, I've been watching you since the beginning. Really? You hear? That since you started your channel, I've been watching you since the beginning. I hope. I've been saying that since you started your channel, I've been watching you. Huh? Really? Done? Oh wow, that's great. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much, Donnie. Wow, thank you so much. Why didn't you talk before then? Yeah, Donnie. Maingay, maingay. Maingay sa labas. Ang kulit. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait guys. Can you stop and listen? Wait. Tama. I'm very busy and usually don't say long, but I watch you. Also, Donnie, why you on a strict diet? Why you on a strict diet? Oh, why? Thank you so much, Donnie. Thank you for your kindness. It's helped me. Watching my videos, it helps me to earn here on YouTube. Thank you so much. You're very busy. What is your work? What are you doing? You have a serious,
Naipisan mo shirt ni Papay sa kubita. Apa ka niipis? Oo, bakit ka niipis na? Yan, tulad dito upat. Sabi dito sa mamay. Nabahan mga shirt ni Papay. Baka niipis.
Pagod dito nakalimutan, nagkalala ka o baga ako pahalit sa pasakay. Ito na naisip ko na huruding-huding dito sa
Sa balay?
Sa balay niyo. Ito naisip ko na kung paprakdagan ako sa hala. Pag ang feeling ko talaga may nag-irige. Ano rin na?
Sa bubong?
Oo.
Kasi?
Oo. Ano ako? Mayad gani, kayo wala luho. Kung may luho siguro dito.
Naradagang
Ano yung isang
ka.
kahosan dati na may awang na luho? Dito nagraradag.
Bakit naradagang ka kung may?
Nagparana. Thank you for watching. Also, wait. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Wala na. Di na nag-ano. Busy na siya. Oh, nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Shinger, your finger smells good. Smells good. Kung sakali iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. Wala pang tagayan, nandito ko. Bleach, yeah, the bleach. Not good, the smell's not good. I'm an electrician. Cheryl, I think you are a very kind, genuine person, and that's why I want senior gifts. Nothing more, nothing less. Thank you, Thank you, Donnie. A gift. Nothing more, nothing less. I work hard my entire life, and and what I would just simply like help. Thank you so much for willingness to help me, help people. Tony, thank you so much. Cheryl is mean. Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc. Thank you for joining here again, Doc. Thank you so much. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Thank you so much. Thanks. How are you, Sir Doc? Sir Doc Doc. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You can't person. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Doc. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Good morning. Thank you for what you up this morning. I'm going to work after the live here. Thank you so much. Well, people will have to wait for her to get Monrays. Monetize. Taring ribok, grabe. Musit. Musit na yun yan. I will be here to stop singing. Oh my god, I love Tenny Balls Flags. Hi, Teeny Balls Flag. Thank you for joining, Teeny Balls. I need to end the live because too loud here. Not good for making a vlog, for making the live. I need to end the live now. See you tonight here. Thank you guys. Too loud here. I don't like. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Doug. Thank you, my team. Thank you, Channel Vlogs TV. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, Donnie. What is? Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you all. Too loud here. I'm getting mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like